Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how to make a video worksheet combo in SeeSaw in an activity without using any external products, just doing it all in SeeSaw. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your activity library. You can do that one of two ways. You can come to your activities tab and then click this blue Browse Activity Library button at the bottom. Or you can click this green circle at the top and click Assign Activity, which also brings you to your activity library. From here, under My Recent Activities, you're going to want to click Create New Activity. Here, just like any other activity, you can put in a title and instructions. You can add voice instructions or an example. Then down here, the template, that's where you're going to add whatever you want the students to actually do their work in. So I'm going to click Add Template. And for this, I'm actually going to click drawing. Even though I'm doing a video and I'm going to put in space for students to respond, if I use the video or upload templates, the students aren't going to have access to write on the activity the way I'm making it. So this is going to give them the best options. Once I'm in this template, to add the video, you're going to click the camera and then the video icon. Now, I can't show you step by step how to do the video right now because I'm already using my camcorder and it won't let me do it in two different programs at one time. But what you do is you click this video icon, and once you've done that, in the center here, there's immediately going to be an image of you, and there are going to be three icons, one to the middle right, one middle bottom, and one middle left. And those icons are just going to be little camcorder buttons. Just click one of them. It doesn't matter which one you click, and that will start the video recording. You can do your mini lesson or read your book or whatever video you wanted to make for that day. And then when you're done, at the top right, there's a done button, and you're just going to click the done button. There will also be red pause buttons, but you don't need to click those before you click done. Once you're done, it's going to show you an image of the video. So I'm going to upload an image into this that looks like what that will look like to you. So this is what it should look like once you click done when you've put in the video. You'll see yourself from your video with a little play icon in front of it. You can change the size of your video by mousing over the circles. Note that if you mouse over any of the circles in the center, it will distort. So it's better to use the circles on the corners. You can then move the video. And when you're done, if you don't want the students to be able to move the video, you can click the three dots and then lock it. And now it's going to be locked in that place. Now, depending on what kind of activity you want to do, the students to do, you can make this background look like what you want them to respond. So for instance, if you told a story about a color, like the color orange and all these things that are orange, and you want them to draw a picture of their favorite orange item, you can come to the three dots, click Shapes, click on one of the squares, and now I can make this square bigger. And notice I can also change the shape of it a little bit. And if I click these three dots, I can change the style so it's just an outline. I can also change the color. So if if they're talking about the color orange, I can make it orange. If I just want a plain black or gray box, I can make it black or gray. When I'm done, if I click the three dots and lock it, now the students won't be able to move it, but they can then draw in the box like this. Or they can also take a picture of something and put that in the box as well. Another option, if you want your students to do a written response, is come to the three dots, click background, and now you have the option of either these wide ruled lines or the primary writing lines. And your students can either write in the box, which may be challenging, of course, with the trackpads or a mouse, or they can insert a text box. A nice thing about these text boxes is that if you show your students how, they can click the three dots and get rid of the line. And then you can also change the size of the box so that it fits the lines. So those are some ways that you can kind of make this area look like a worksheet and have the students respond right next to the video.